Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make simple grilled salmon. This is a super easy way to make salmon on your grill, and it only takes about 15 minutes. You'll need 4 salmon portions, so between 4 and 6 ounces each, and you just want to run your fingers along where the bones go and make sure there are no pin bones still stuck in your fish. For our flavoring, you're going to want to juice about half a lemon. You'll need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then we'll add a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of soy sauce, and then half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, paprika, salt, and black pepper. You just give this a quick whisk, and then we're just gonna paint or brush or drizzle this right over our salmon pieces, and make sure you get both sides. Then preheat your outdoor grill to about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can use a gas grill, a charcoal grill, or we're actually going to use our infrared grill today. You want to make sure you have a well-oiled grate so the fish doesn't stick. And if you have skin on, you'll actually want to start with the skin side up. Now, salmon cooks super fast, so you only need to plan on about 3 to 4 minutes per side. So use a spatula or tongs to gently flip it over. And then just grab them off the grill and transfer them to a plate, and you will be ready to eat. I tell you what, it doesn't get much easier than this. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.